Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Honda Pilot. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this super capable Pilot. Safe, strong, and refined, it's the go-to SUV for family road trips, cargo hauling, towing, or scenic cruising. With seating for up to 8 passengers, a comfortable and spacious cabin, and the latest connectivity technology, it has everything you need to power your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Modern refinement meets rugged capability in this family-friendly Honda Pilot. Come on in and take it out for a drive.